Hello guys, good morning. For today's video guys, mag-unboxing tayo guys ng mystery box na pinadala sa atin ng solid na kaibigan guys. Bubuksan natin kung anong laman ng pinadala sa atin guys. Okay guys, let's go. Alright guys, buksan na natin to guys. Ano kaya laman nito? Saka isang kaw na pera. Ayun guys, okay na. Oop. Wow guys, Oro Tools. Ayun guys, ang ganda oh. Ayun guys oh. Makita nyo guys, bagong bago pa guys. Lotus guys. Ito guys, drills, Lotus. Wow. Guys, may Lotus po guys, may ano. May naka-eco bag. Grinder. Guys oh, ganda ang grinder. Wow. Ayun guys, may nakahalong DeWalt. Tignan natin. Let's go. Alright, may DeWalt pa rin guys. Portable siya guys, ang ganda. Na magagamit natin guys. Alright.